She'd be low. Let's add a little bit. Boom, she's ready.
Yes, sir.
Alright, what's up everybody? This is my Subaru STI. I have not posted a video in a long time. We're gonna do just nothing crazy. It's not fully tuned yet. It's on a base map, so we're not really gonna go crazy with it. But yeah, I got my man Riley up in there, and we're just gonna drive around a little bit, and I'm just gonna show you and walk you through all the mods I've done to it, and then what's to come. Just let it warm up. Yeah, we'll get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy. Smash like. Alright, so oil temp and all that still looks good. Oil pressure looks good. Coolant temp looks fine. Air fuel ratio is fine. No knocks. I have a roughness cycle on cylinder 2 right now though. So I think it's misfiring pretty bad, so. Not too bad when you're on throttle, but when you get off throttle and you're on low compression, I think that's where the problem is. But yeah, I added some quality of life updates like this right here. Very nice, digital. I like this a lot. And then obviously you can make it go more. And the trim piece hasn't come in for it yet, so I was still waiting on that. And then obviously this touchscreen right here, this thing's sick. I got movies on there, all that. And yeah, it's pretty much the whole package right now. Alright, so for mods I got on this thing. Right now, I got a pretty long list of things I did to it, and I'm hoping to make about 380 to 400 wheel, depending on how far the tuner wants to push it. And I got, obviously, a front mount intercooler. You've seen, I'm on 1050, ID1050s right now. I have a Blouch 2.5 XTR turbo, a ball bearing turbo. I have, you know, SF intake with box, obviously to keep IATs down, Radium fuel pressure regulator. I've got IAG Fuel Rails, and then they're parallel systems. So instead of it being a sequential like the stock STIs have, they are feeding fuel at the same time to both sides of the injectors, which is obviously a lot more efficient, better. For exhaust wise, GrimmSpeed headers, unequal length GrimmSpeed headers. The ratio is 1 to 1.5, so it still kind of sounds rumbly, but once you get into higher RPMs, the rumble kind of kicks out and it sounds more like equal length headers. I have a GrimmSpeed wastegate, external wastegate, or a Tial external wastegate GrimmSpeed Uppipe, 44 millimeter, connected to the turbo, Catless, and then I have an Invidia N1 for a catback with the resonator, so it's not too loud. Because I am Catless, it is obviously loud, but it's not too bad when you're not really getting on it. So yeah, in terms of mods, I believe that's it. obviously having IAG air oil separator, which is probably the best mod for Subarus in terms of reliability, because the PCV system in Subarus are absolutely horrendous. So that upgrade right there is very, very useful.
How many likes does this video need to get for you to buy a manual Subaru?
5.
5 likes? That's it? Come on, chat, we can do that. 5 likes? Come on, that's simple. He's getting an STI, and it's that simple. He's lying to you. He's gonna get an STI. That last bit of gas we have. good though. Better than she did before. That's for sure. $56.48, huh? Thought it was gonna be more than that.
How's she feel?
A little wop 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 wop. Got me nervous.
Yeah.
She likes a fresh drink every once in a while. Alright, that's gonna be all. Hope you guys enjoy. This is Stella right here. It was a nice, good day to go driving. It's one of the warmer days we've had. If you guys like this, drop a like, subscribe. If you like the shirt as well, this is gonna be featured down below. I got a link for it in the description. So if y'all like this type of content, let me know. Make this more of a regular thing. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one.